What's up, guys? I'm at Pier 1 Imports right now, and so I'm just doing some shopping, and I came across this. It's if you were here right now, you would feel how soft this was, and it's so weird. There's also this. This is I don't know what the use, why there's any use. There's no use to it. I don't see any use to it. Comment if you think there's a use to it. I don't think there is. Yeah. This isn't a girl's shirt. I have to tell you again, because a lot of people say that. Outfit of the day: pink shirt, khaki shorts, my new Kailashis. I have to undo the DS them. Hey, say hi. Alright, fine, alright. Yeah, so, comment if you know what the use for that thing is. This is kind of useless as well.
Get me in this, bro.
No. Stop following me. So weird. Oh, this is cool. Alright. Oh yeah, I found it. Oh, what is that? Oh, another use. There's a lot of uses to stuff at Pier 1 Imports. I just realized that. Like, look at this. Look at this. What is this? What is that? It's taller than me, and I'm like 5'8". I'm tall. So it's a pretty big place. Alright, Pier 1 Imports. Uses stuff. Hey guys, you got it. Still at Pier 1 Imports. Found more useless stuff, like an elephant. Some of this useless stuff could be for like decoration, but it doesn't look like that. It looks ugly. So Pier 1 Imports needs to get some better stuff for decoration. Also, they have these bunch of carpets for sale. They're like $5 each. Crazy, dude. Carpets don't sell these days, I guess you could say that.
Isn't this for laundry or something? Yeah.
Like if you like this music playing right now,
No.
I made this song. I sang it. So show some support. I know. We're 2 years on that, and very, very nice. This is nice. This is nice. It's like, hi, you thought I was gonna leave? All right, I'm not gonna leave yet. This is perfect. Put it here. Have my discussions. You know what I'm saying. Have my discussions. Like maybe a performance review, KD8, something like that. Just put it right here. Perfect view. There you go. And this is perfect. Like if you would buy this for $300. Definitely not worth
What's
it.
this?
So I don't know. Yeah,
This is huge.
Chilling with my brother, Hey. So if this gets alright. So tomorrow, after 4th of July stuff, when I go to fireworks place at my local high school, then maybe after that I can find an outdoor park, maybe hoop with him. You know what I'm saying. Cross him up, shoot a 3, maybe drive on him, break his ankles, all normal stuff, normal stuff. Stuff I've already done. If you know what I'm saying, alright. Some of the useless stuff that I showed didn't really have an intricate design, but some of this stuff I need to show you. It has pretty intricate design. Like this. This is amazing. Very handcrafted, I guess. Very nice. Intricate.
I like Champions League.
What? Champions League, hashtag Champions League trophy. Lol. Champions League honestly needs to get a better trophy. It looks terrible in my opinion. People I don't like people. Hi Mom. What's it? Hey. Do you guys think this is for outdoor? No. I don't know what that's supposed to be for. Indoors, outdoors. Hey. What's up? What's up? You know, I got myself in the mirror. You know how we do. Oh man, I look fresh. Oh, that was zoomed in on enough. I look like a little kid. What is that?
No, look, this solar panel takes the
And does what with it?
the sun energy, and this is a light.
That's a light?
Pretty sure. Look inside.
Let me see that. Look at that. Look at that. Is that a light? Yeah, I think that's a light. That's sick. Solar panel, you know. So I love feeling solar panels. I made a solar rover. I may make a video when I get home on my solar rover. Pretty nice. I like it a lot. I made one video on it. I sent to my friend, but I was in my pajamas, so I'm not really gonna send that. You know. Alright, next door, probably gonna go to, what, yoga? Hey fam, what's up, fam? Hey, yo, alright, so next door, probably gonna go to, like, Aerosol, someplace for my mom. She needs to get some clothes and shoes, you know, she's a sneakerhead. No, I'm joking. Hey guys, I was shopping, and I just came across this. It's like a bird's nest in the GMC Live Well, and I just found that funny, worth sharing, you know, worth you spending the 30 seconds just looking. Oh, no, it didn't. It's so cool though. It's creative. I know. Just finished shopping, you know, Yogurtland, Cadova, you know, Pier 1 Imports. Like if you enjoyed the vlog. I might do another one tomorrow or in 2 days about the July 4th. I might go into a local high school. So yeah, like and comment.